Today we will do the analysis for the CSIR NET Geology question paper, and before going into that we will first see the pattern of this exam. This exam consists of 150 questions for 200 marks, and it comprises of three parts: A, B, C. And in the A part it is for the aptitude, and B and C consist of the geology as well as geophysics. For the A part there are around 20 questions, for B part there are 50 questions, and for C part there are 80 questions. And how many max attempt you can give? Out of 20 you have to attempt 15 questions, out of 50 you have to attempt for B part 35 questions, and for the C part you have to attempt 25 questions out of 80. And what are the negative marking for the A, B and C part? For AB part there is zero point 0.5 marks of negative marking, and for the C part there is 1.32 negative. So now we will do the analysis of CSIR NET Geology paper. The official question papers are not out right now. I have appeared for this exam today, so I am writing few questions which I remember till now. So I have seen the phase transition question in the exam, which I have also shown in my previous videos in ZAF Geo Academy, that phase transition at 660 kilometer depth, what will be the minerals at this depth. So you can see over there. And the second question, I have seen that the variation of Earth's magnetic field with depth. So according to me, it will increase. Let's see what will be in the answer key. And what will happen if the air parcel rises? The options were relative humidity will increase or the evaporation will increase. And there were questions about the Köppen climatic classification. Symbols were given and you have to identify which climate belongs to which symbol. And the littoral zone, runnel, berm and foreshore were given. They were given as the match the following. The answers were written and you just have to match the features which belong to littoral zone, runnel, berm and the foreshore. And also Bajada, Piedmont, Mesa and Butte questions were there, that these two belong to which environment and what these two means. What are Bajada? They belong to which environment, like this question. And from the stratigraphic part only one question was there, that Dosa Ulite belong to which age and the Maleri formation belong to which age, and two more were there, I don't remember those. I remember these, so I have written over here. And the pair metamorphic belt, they belong to which setting? The collision, subduction, strike slip, or they belong to greenstone terrain. This question was there. And transpiration, what is transpiration? This question was there. And palm tree structure. There were numericals on geophysics from the Venner electrode part. I will cover this in my next video about the Venner electrode. And numerical on virtual temperature was there, which has been given by the Shivam Arthkolik sir. So you can see his lecture for this question. For a transformation question was there, which has been asked in every time in NET exams. Porphyry copper deposit, they belong to which environment? Baroclinic, barotrophic, what are baroclinic and their density variation? So baroclinic is with temperature, barotrophic with pressure. Geostrophic is the pressure, it is the balance between the pressure gradient force and the Coriolis force. And there were assertion and reason question on the tropical monsoon, and about the siliceous abundance in deep water at high altitude and radiolarian abundance at high altitude. You have to choose that both are correct or both are wrong. And what is the horizontal variation and what is the vertical motion? So for the vertical motion, my answer was updraft. There were 4 diagrams in the question paper. In the first diagram, it was shown that there is coarse grain size particles, and after this lies the finer particle. So I have chosen that it shows fining upward and they are poorly sorted. And in the second diagram, they have written that you have to match the following. For the C, they have shown the jointed block. For D, the glacier movement. For the A, the abrasion. And for B, the plucking. So you have to match the following, that which belongs to which feature, that where plucking is happening, where are joints present, like here joints are present, plucking is going over here. And they have given that in the June how the graph varies for the chlorophyll, for nutrients, like this. And for this graph they have given the option that how the chloride and the nutrients will vary with the ocean depth. So this was it about the question paper which I remember till now. I hope it will be helpful for you, and official question paper will be out soon. So all the best to all of you for the results. Thank you.
Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do hit the bell icon.